Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel with another interesting video, and today I'm going to tell you about how you can unhide apps in iOS 18 in your iPhone. So without wasting the time, let's begin the video. For example, I'm hiding this app by tapping on require face ID and then hide and require face ID. Now this app is hidden. Now the method of hiding is this one. I have also created a video before, but no one knows how to unhide apps in iOS 18. So how you can unhide, you have to go to app library, then scroll down, and here you can see the option of hidden. Tap on it, it will require your face ID and open it. Now tap on the app and then tap on no, don't require face ID. Now this app is unhidden, but there is no Netflix app in the pages. So how you can find this app? You have to go to the app library again, and here you have to search the app which you have unhided recently. Here you can see the Netflix app is now available. It is unhidden and not hidden as it was before in your iPhone. So by this way you can easily unhide apps in iOS 18 with the help of the following method. I hope you guys like it. Do subscribe for more videos and I will see you in the next one.